Welcome to Chic Q. I'm Claire and I'm joined by the beautiful
Ooh!
Bella.
Stop it. You can't hide these things. What? I have 2 kids, a puppy, and I'm a light sleeper, so every little noise just wakes me up and freaks me out. I'm kind of a safety nerd.
Oh, well, speaking of safety, I have these shades up in my home and they are cordless, so they are great for kids and pets.
Wait, cordless? Wait, what do you mean?
Never heard of them? Well, nothing too messy, nothing complicated. Everything just rolls up like a poster and this mechanism holds them in place. Pretty simple.
What are these?
These are zebra shades. That is West Granite and this is West Ivory. I think that they are very fashionable and they look great in my master bedroom.
Oh my gosh, yes, they'd be perfect in, a nursery or an office. They're so chic.
Ah, very chic.
Wow, and these are so good as far as privacy is concerned too.
Oh, exactly. I can adjust them to exactly where I want them. And they can go from full privacy to letting in a little natural light with just the lift of a finger.
Oh my goodness, I love these. Wow. One thing I was thinking about in terms of buying blinds was, I'm tough. I'm a strong woman. I want to install these myself.
Ah! Yeah, did you have trouble?
Well, no. Actually, it was pretty easy. I went on their YouTube channel, Chicology, and they have all these how-to videos. So, yeah, it was pretty easy.
Oh, nice. Another thing to keep in mind when you're buying multiple shades is to get one shade for the entire window. That way, you don't have any gaps in between the different shades that you, Are you on your phone?
No. I mean, well, yes, but look, I'm on the website. I mean, they have so many great products, so I was just choosing my size.
Oh, those are so beautiful.
I know, and this one, that's right.
Hi again, everybody. Well, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Simple,
Affordable
blinds.